Welcome everyone. Today's video takes you inside a real cow market where cows are arriving after a long and tiring journey. These cows have traveled for many hours, some from far villages and rural areas, packed inside trucks on rough roads. As the trucks arrive at the market, you can clearly see the tiredness in the cows. They move slowly, carefully stepping down, trying to adjust after a long ride. Some cows pause for a moment, catching their breath before moving forward. This is completely natural after such a journey. Cow markets are busy and noisy places, but for the animals, this moment is about rest and balance. Their bodies need time to recover from the travel. You will notice cows of many different colors: black, brown, white, and mixed shades, each one different in size, strength, and age. Some cows are large and heavy, while others are smaller but active. Every cow here has its own value and its own story. Farmers and traders carefully observe the animals, checking their movement, posture, and health. A tired cow is handled gently because stress can affect its condition. This journey from farm to market is not easy, especially under the sun and heat, but this is part of rural trading life, where patience and experience matter most. After unloading, the cows are given time to rest, drink water, and slowly regain energy. For buyers, this is the first chance to see the cows closely before negotiations and trading begin. Cow markets like this connect farmers, traders, and communities from different regions. They are an important part of agricultural life. If you enjoy real cow market scenes, honest village life, and natural farming environments, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next cow market video.